Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get flawless, beautiful concealer. So the first thing we're going to do is just apply a small amount of base to the face before we start the concealer work. And now with a foundation brush, I'm just going to buff this into the skin so that the skin is primed and ready for concealer. Okay, so with base on the skin, this approach is a two-prong approach. We're going to be using a liquid and a cream. Now you can use two liquids, one liquid or two creams. So the first thing I'm going to do is just dot 3 little dots of concealer on these areas of the face. Now generally speaking, the problematic areas underneath the eye is this area here because it creases and moves when we smile. So we want there to be minimum product in this area. So I'm going to get an eyeshadow brush and I'm going to start to pat and press this area first closest to the nose with concealer. And I'm making sure that I pat and press this in first. Then I'm just going to buff this onto the rest of the eyelid and then I'm going to pat and press on this outside corner. Now with whatever's left, I'm going to move underneath the eye area. Because this area is problematic, we want there to be minimum amount of coverage, or should I say minimum amount of texture under this problematic area. Now when that's blended in, you can see the brightness underneath this section. Now we're going to move into a cream concealer. I'm going to use this one here. And I'm just going to take a small amount and I'm just going to apply it just on this tear duct area. And you want this to be about a shade lighter than the concealer you used. Now I'm going to take my finger and gently pat it into place. Now remember, this area here doesn't crease. This area does. So this is why it's perfect. By choosing a shade that's slightly lighter, any discoloration that you actually have in this area, your eyes are focused on the lightest area of the face because anything light stands out. I'm going to bring this up slightly as well and just pat it into place. Now to ensure flawless results, I'm going to take a tissue and a sponge and I'm just going to wrap it around. And then I'm going to gently dab it over this concealer to absorb any of the excess oils, because this way we're ensuring longevity and preventing oxidization. And there you have it. The concealer is now in place. The inner corner is lighter and brighter than the rest of the eye. And if you feel that the edge is too harsh where the brightness is, you can just very lightly with your brush just stipple it to make it fade into the rest of the concealer. But now it's complete. All you need to do now is add a touch of powder and just a small amount because we've already absorbed all the excess oils. You're good to go. And that is how I approach flawless concealer. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.